Listen to me read the captions underneath the pictures on page 18. What are examples of different kinds of bird feet? A chicken has toes with strong claws. It scratches for food. A heron has long, thin toes that help it balance as it wades in soft mud. A finch has 3 forward-facing toes and 1 facing back for perching. An emu has 3 thick toes for running and kicking. A duck has webbed feet, skin stretched between its toes to help it paddle. An eagle has long, sharp claws called talons to grab prey. Now I want to know, what are some examples of different kinds of bird feet? Go ahead and type or record your answer to what are some examples of different kinds of bird feet.